Previous RPM above 2000, and then I do throttle calibration, and now perfect. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Mitsubishi Lancer. In this car have a problem. RPM high, that's the problem. RPM fluctuation sometimes it's go high, sometimes when I try to steering like this, RPM up down like this. In this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, how to solve this problem. First of all, off car. Okay, turn ignition on, then check with your diagnosis tool. First check if there is any fault or not in engine. Read code, there is no fault, then go back, go with hot function, go with throttle body, learn value reset, go with this option first. Okay, yes, it's complete. Ignition must be turned off one or otherwise engine will not start, so turn ignition off and then on. Okay, and then go next option, this one, learn value reset manual settings, go with this option. Throttle mismatching required, and then replace clean throttle body. This car mechanic clean throttle body, that's why this happened. So yes, turn ignition on. I already turned ignition on. Turn off ignition after 1 second, wait at least 10 seconds. Turn ignition off, remove key, wait 10 seconds, then turn ignition on. Okay, press yes. Transmission P, transmission already in P, and then turn off all electric load such a lamp, fan and everything. AC off and light all off. Okay, then please engine start and 80 temperature, 80 degrees Celsius. Start car. And press yes. See, race now already high. So, and then turn ignition off, stop engine, turn ignition off, wait 10 seconds, then turn ignition on. Yes, start car. Great success. See, now RPM is perfect. Before is like 2000 RPM, which is a problem. Now it's expected 800 or 700 like this. So great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.